Before applying for CDC, first update your seafarer's profile if not updated, like height, hair color, eye color, educational details, etc. Second, you should have medical certificate from DG approved doctor. And third, you must have completed your ST, SDSD and BST course, passing all exit exams and having certificate number. Let us start now application procedure for CDC. Search DG Shipping on Google and click on official website of DG Shipping. After that, interface like this will open. Go into e-governance section and click on e-governance. In this new interface, you can see the option of login. Fill Indos number as your user ID and also fill the password, and after that click on login. As your profile opens, go into Seafarer section and click on CDC management and COC as cook. You can see the option of submit application at the left corner. As you will bring your cursor on that, you will find many options and you have to click on CDC application. After reading all these instructions that I have already told you at the beginning, just click on continue. Now personal details form will open. At the top you have to select MMD office from where you want to generate your CDC and also the category under which you want to apply. You can see I have selected general category. Below that, all personal details are filled automatically from your Indos profile. If any of the space is not filled, just go back and update your seafarer's profile. After that, fill passport details like passport number, place of issue, date of issue and expiry date. Then you have to fill class 10th certificate details like name of the board, year of passing and certificate number. After filling all these information, click on continue. Now address section will open. Fill your permanent address and be careful while filling this. Make sure that you have exactly filled same address as you have in Indos profile as well as in your permanent address proof certificate. Any slight mistake in address will lead directly to rejection of your CDC, so be careful. After filling all these informations like house number, street, village, post office, district, state, pin code and phone number, just click on continue. Now next to kin section will open. Here you have to fill about anyone who is closer to you, like father, mother, uncle, etc. You can see I have filled about my father. After filling their name, addresses and all, just click on continue. Now STCW course section will open, where your BST and ST/SD/SD certificates number will be seen automatically as uploaded by your Maritime Institute. Just match this certificate number with your certificates and click on continue. Now medical certificate section will open, where you have to fill all the informations about the doctor from where you got the certificate, like doctor's name, DGS approval number of the doctor, place of issuing certificate, date of issuing, etc. After filling all these informations, just click on continue. Now fee details section will open. You have to pay amount of rupees 700. As you will click on continue, you will be directed to the payment page. Now you can see the list of 7 documents that are required to upload after the payment, and below that you can see the terms and conditions. After reading all these, just tick I agree, then click on generate application number. Again you will be asked, do you want to submit application? Just click on OK. Now your payment page will open. Just go on pay now. Then interface like this will open. Now click on click to pay. Read all the instructions carefully given under the note. Also note down the email given there. It will be helpful in case of any problem. Now click on continue. For a smooth payment process, try to make payment in between 10 am and 5 pm. And also avoid doing payment on Sunday. And also don't do payment again if your amount is deducted once and not showing. After successful payment, you will find a receipt like this. Just save it for a reference. Now bring your cursor on others on the left corner, where you will get option to upload your documents. As you will click there, interface like this will open. You can check your application status here. You can see at rightmost side document upload status and click on upload now. The first document is scanned copy of signed online application. You can download it by clicking on view and print application that is visible in red color. And the second document is passport size photograph with clear white background, face covering 70%. And third document is scanned signature of seafarer. And fourth document is colored scanned copy of original passport. Make PDF of 3 pages from your passport where personal details, photo, address details and signature of passport authority are displayed. Then upload it. And fifth document is scanned copy of original class 10th mark sheet. And sixth document is original scanned copy of medical fitness certificate from DGS approved doctor. Seventh or last document is colored scanned copy of original permanent address proof. Once you finally upload your documents, you should check your application status regularly after 2 days by clicking on others. Thank you so much for watching this video.